Did you know a storm can carry a voice from the missing ship? In March 1988, a North Sea blizzard swallowed a lighthouse logbook and left a rusted envelope docked in a net of creaking ice. A fisherman named Jonas Keld hauled it up and found a waterproof packet inside, sealed with a red wax seal and stamped with the date 1917. Inside lay a map, a 2-page letter, and a brass key marked 51. The letter was a confession in a careful hand. The freighter Sable vanished near Norns Reef while carrying a chest of coins and a captain's diary. Marine archaeologist Dr. Lena Arvidsson traced the chart to a wreck at 27 fathoms, coordinates 62°12'N, 4°38'W. The chest was there, locked with a brass plate bearing the initials EM. The diary, brittle as winter ice, logged every storm and every lighthouse beam since 1917. It revealed a mutiny, a staged sinking, a theft masked as accident. The storm had spoken, but the sea kept the rest.